Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Merchant Center for product SEO and shopping step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Google Merchant Center website. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the sign-up process. Enter your business email address in the provided field. Confirm your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. Fill in your business name and select your country from the drop-down menu. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box provided. Click on the Next button to proceed. You will be asked to input additional business details, such as your website URL. Make sure your website complies with Google's policies. After entering the URL, verify your ownership of the website using the recommended methods. Once verified, you can add your tax information if required. Next, navigate to the Products tab in the dashboard. Click on Add Products to list the items you want to showcase. Choose between adding products individually or uploading a data feed. For bulk upload, prepare a CSV or XML file with all product details. Follow Google's formatting guidelines to ensure compatibility. Once your products are added, optimize their titles and descriptions using relevant keywords for SEO. Pay close attention to images, ensuring they meet Google's specifications. Set up product categories according to Google's taxonomy for better visibility. Utilize the shipping settings to define your shipping options and rates. Review your settings thoroughly before going live. Once everything is set, click on Submit to finalize your Merchant Center setup. Monitor your account regularly for notifications or errors. Optimize your product listings based on performance feedback. Regularly update your inventory and product details to keep your listings current. Utilize Google Ads for increased exposure in shopping ads. Stay informed about updates and best practices in product SEO through Google's resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.